we are looking at how to say I love you in Japanese in a slightly less formal way, so this would translate more as I like you. So it's not like you fully confessing your love, but you're expressing strong interest. If you want to learn a more formal way, stay tuned, I've got a video for you. So, in Japanese in Japan, I love you or I like you is said as daisuki da. Daisuki da is how you say I love you in Japanese. If you want to learn a more formal way of saying I love you, really when you're really confessing your love to the one of your life, here is the video for you to watch. See you there.